At most airports, passengers only see the journey. But behind every safe takeoff and landing, there's a team you may never notice. Based in Hong Kong, HAESL is a world-class provider of Aero engine maintenance, repair, and overhaul services. Every day, our people work with precision, expertise, and care, ensuring engines perform at their best and passengers arrive safely at their destination. Here, every detail matters, because every flight depends on it. At HAESL is more than what we do, it's who we are. From experienced engineers to young graduates, we learn from one another, support each other, and grow together. Through structured training, mentorship, and continuous learning, we turn technical skills into real careers. We don't just maintain engines, we invest in people. Life at HAESL goes beyond the hangar. We look after our well-being, celebrate our diversity, and create meaningful moments through team events and workplace initiatives. Here, innovation meets craftsmanship, technology meets hands-on expertise, and every contribution counts. So if you're ready to be part of the team that keeps the world flying, HAESL is your next career home.